Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Also click on that all beside the notification bell so that you get everything that I upload. Otherwise, you don't get the notification. I don't know how to hold this way because I don't really vlog. But I just wanted to come on and do a quick video. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I'm looking at the viewfinder and I should be looking at the thing. So anyway, I wanted to give you guys an update. Not update. I wanted to come on and let you guys see what I pulled up today from my garden. I pulled up 2 of my carrots. And I also harvested some of my eggplant. So I wanted to show you guys. I'm not making a video today, but I'm just going to load this up. It's going to be quick and fast. But anyway, let's let you guys see it. And please forget my sink. I got dishes in here. But this is my carrots. I just pulled them up and bought them in here. I haven't cleaned them yet. And these are my eggplants. I got 2 out. The tip was all the way on the ground and it started like, I don't know, rotting or something. I'm going to cut that off and I'm going to cook it tonight. And then I got this one. This one is fairly big. But the carrots, because I put them in that bed and that bed is only 4 inches deep, they got that one got really wide, but it didn't get long. But it's very big, as comparison to my eggplant. Because these are the Italian eggplants, so they get long and not wide like the ones we have mostly here that you see. But yeah, that is what I got harvested from my garden today. I'm so excited about it. So yeah. That is it, guys, for my little short video. I just wanted to come on and just let you guys see what it is that I pulled out of my garden today. I got a lot of Russian kale that's growing too. I'm going to pull that up and cook it probably Sunday. It's Monday now, so I'm going to let it grow for the rest of the week. I got a lot out there and it's getting pretty big. I might pull it up before then, but we've been getting a lot of rain. So everything's growing. Even my collard greens are growing pretty good. And yeah, that is it. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Short, quick video. And I look forward to seeing you on my very next video. I think it will be on Wednesday. Okay, bye-bye. Have a great day.